Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we'll show you how to connect your Paysafecard to your Google Play account. So firstly, purchase a card. You can use a local retailer or online. You will need to receive a 16-digit PIN. After that, on your device, open the Google Play app, basically store app. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. After that, go to the payments methods and select payments and subscriptions, and then tap on payments methods. After that, you can basically add your card. You need to select redeem code, enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN carefully, and then tap redeem. Once confirmed, the balance will be added to your Google Play account, ready for purchases. If you encounter any issues, ensure your region supports Paysafecard for Google Play transactions. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Enjoy the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.